On July 23, 2025, officers from the Tallahassee Police Department responded to a credit card fraud investigation at a Chuck E. Cheese restaurant, where a woman reported unauthorized use of her debit card after attending a family event on June 28th. Surveillance video allegedly showed the suspect using her card at multiple businesses. Officers entered the establishment where the suspect, later identified as 41-year-old Jermel J. Jones, was working in a Chuck E. Cheese mascot costume. Body-worn camera footage shows officers detaining Jones in costume in front of patrons and children, reading him Miranda rights, advising him of the investigation into multiple alleged fraudulent transactions.
I have a couple charges mixed in there. You get the exact number of what he spent and not just...
Hey bro, what's up?
Hey, are y'all busy?
No, we just cleared some guy with a 2x4 at a gas station.
Okay, was that a report or no?
No.
Okay. I would appreciate your assistance. I have a pretty legitimate fraud call over here at the Chuck E. Cheese. A guy stole a credit card from the complainant and then has been using it at different places, and the complainant tracked it down to him. She has video of him using it at a meat market, and she's like, I know that's my card because it's a distinct card, and she's here outside the Chuck E. Cheese, and she says he's inside right now.
Oh, really? Okay, and how does she know it's him?
She went to the meat market where she was seeing charges, and went to the timestamp from the charge, and the meat market let her look at the video, and she's like, wait a second, that guy's an employee at the Chuck E. Cheese that I just had my daughter's birthday party at.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
That's interesting. Okay, let's think this through. So we got, how many charges are we talking?
At least 2 or 3 screenshots worth of charges over a course of a couple days.
Oh, so multiple charges.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have felony on the number, if not the amount. Okay, yeah, he's in route. Just trying to think how to handle this. When were the charges made?
Within the last month, I know that for sure. I haven't worked out the details with her yet on the exact dates, when it started and when it ended.
Okay, yeah, we're coming. We're almost there, in fact, so we'll try to get the details.
Okay. There's a pin for you. A couple of my partners coming over here now. What was the date of your daughter's birthday party? 28. And then when was the first charge?
Gonna be him in the mouse seat. Oh my god. Just ask management who's in the mouse seat. Do we know his name? They don't know his name. We're gonna detain the mouse, dude. Yes, we are. Do it. I want you to. Go around and ask. Go around. You want me to come in front of these kids? Yeah, grab him. Get him. Grab him, quick. Don't resist. Do not resist. Don't let your hands go. Let your hands go. I got it. I got live on video. Right now we have 1 to 10. Okay, he's the suspect. He stole someone's card here and has been using it. Someone that was one of your employees, like last week or something like that. So, yeah, I understand. Yeah, we'll have to get it back to you in a second. He's a criminal. What would you like to know?
I would like y'all to walk him out the door instead of traumatizing all these children and somebody like Chuck E. Cheese. Would y'all put Mickey Mouse in handcuffs?
Have a good night.
Have a good night. I will.
Yeah, they're called take care of that. They have a verbal on progress. That's how it's like.
787, you can come around in the front.
Is your wallet set?
Does this come off, man? Does this just come off the top? I want to hurt you.
I work here.
There you
I'm
go.
just doing my job.
I understand you work here.
What is this about?
We're gonna talk to you.
Talk to you in a second.
How does this come off, man? Is it just like a normal?
Can I get that? I gotta take this back. This is my work stuff.
Okay, we'll take care of that.
Yeah, we'll do it. Put him in the car and read him, and then go from there.
Man, what is
Search him as best you
going
can.
on, man?
I know he's probably got internal pants, but
Oh, sorry, man. Yeah, good. Wait. What is going
Just
on?
have him.
just pat him down. Just pat him down for now. Just make sure there's nothing crazy. You have any weapons, knives?
I don't carry weapons.
Okay, perfect.
What is going on?
I'll explain that to you, right?
Did you really just get dressed?
I don't know what y'all talking about or what's going on.
Alrighty, sir. I'm up to prove.
The parents are not happy with me or us for detaining Chuck E. Cheese.
Too bad.
Statements about material matters given by
Go to fun station.
will be.
Try not to.
Can you be around?
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have them present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise the right to not answer any questions or make any
Students throughout the college place. The college now mapping at 451 Front Road. 451 Front
Yeah, I
Road.
understand, but what is going on? I don't know anything.
Have you previously requested any law enforcement
Have you
officer
ever,
to allow you to confront?
Come on, so that.
Yeah, that's fine. Miranda.
Having these rights in mind,
Yeah, the middle one.
You know we don't have to ask these questions. I know it's different with the proof, but because Jamie said he wanted to
I
ask
just
questions
want to
anyway,
know what's going on.
No, I didn't know that. If they talk,
but Teresa has said and push out
Why y'all people harassing me?
on like a Word doc or something that those questions
sir, I
are
need you to answer the question.
Students throughout
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
Why what I talk to y'all of and I don't know what's going on.
It's a yes or no, sir. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
and that's why.
Pull over, man.
Yeah, if he's talking,
Yes,
then
okay.
that's a yes.
All right, so we are investigating some fraud stuff with the credit card. Have you been using anyone else's credit card anywhere?
No, sir.
Have you been shopping lately with the credit card?
No, sir. On the car, I use my own cash app. That's it.
So you don't use a credit card anywhere?
No, sir.
Okay. You've never obtained a credit card from here, found one lost or whatever else, and used it anywhere else? So there wouldn't be any video of you anywhere shopping with the credit card?
Like at the meat market at
the meat market
720
that doesn't
Orange
belong to you?
Avenue.
I don't know anything about it.
You don't shop at the meat market? So you haven't gone anywhere and used a credit card to shop anywhere in the past week? Okay.
Push him on the location.
Okay.
And the
Yeah,
video.
what about, all right, well, I tell you what.
I don't know anything.
You don't have to show him, but just tell him.
I was going to look at the video for myself, because I don't remember the name of the place.
I don't even know anything about none of this.
Okay.
As far as I know.
So, yeah.
Because I cannot afford to use this job. This is all I know the Lord.
Back on the line with the caller, and the caller is in the car.
Have you ever been to a place called 720? 720 in Tallahassee?
720 Orange Avenue, the meat market, Don's meat market, or Harry's meat market. The one that you're on film stealing.
What about Cloud Smoke Shop? You ever been there?
The one you're also on film stealing.
What about the Whataburger? You go to Whataburger and get some food with a credit card? Okay.
Only thing
Neighborhood meat market. You went there multiple times.
I use my own card. Now I don't use other people's stuff or nothing.
Okay. At the meat market, you use your own card?
My own card. That's it.
So you do go to the meat market then?
I go there, but I don't use nobody's card but my
When's
own.
the last time you went there? The meat market?
A few days ago.
A few days ago? Okay. And you used your own card there?
Just my own. Nobody else's.
Is that the app thing you were talking about? Your
Cash
Apple
out.
Pay
That's
thing?
it. Cash out.
They take cash out there? Okay. What about the Time Savers too?
Cash out.
Cash out. So you've been there recently?
About 2 weeks ago.
Okay. What about
They want to bet
What about
it
Tony
in
Mark?
for, trying to get their quick little
Haven't been there
You
recently.
haven't been to Tony Mark? Okay. Time Savers again. So you go to the places and use your cash app on your phone to pay for stuff? Never with the card. Okay, so
Let me give the manager at least a helmet so I'm not trying to advertise that we have Mickey Mouse or whatever that name is.
The caller has not seen in a while.
Good. Hold on, I got a whole bunch of kids and they
Yeah, you can see that.
They can't see the head? Okay.
Nobody call about my own.
You know how much meat you bought, or about how much stuff you spent in the past few weeks on your Apple card, your Cash App card, or whatever card you had?
Not.
Yeah, for the callers, if I do that they are getting gas now, they are refusing to pay their
What were you buying from like the 420, the smoke shops? Just
Again, they're at the
cigarettes or
Cigarettes. I just smoke cigarettes.
Yeah. What about the other shops? What are you buying from there? Don't know.
Don't want to know.
Not really. Okay, so just meat and cigarettes.
You can, if you want to show them the video, you can show them the video.
I mean,
I don't know nothing about all this stuff. I only use no car on my own car. I don't know nothing about this other shit.
Yeah, just ask them first. Go.
No, sir, I don't want no stuff like that.
So that's not you.
not you. That's not you.
Hey, look at me. It's going to be in your best interest to tell the truth, okay? Don't pretend like that's not you in the picture, all right? You know it's you. Just start telling us the truth.
I don't want to go to jail today.
I mean, if you're lying to us, you're only going to make things worse on yourself, buddy.
Truly.
All that's going to go in the report, and all the judge is going to see all that shit.
I'm not trying to go to jail today.
Okay.
I understand that, but we got to investigate what happened here. So if you want to, if you want to let us know what's going on, that would help everyone here, including yourself.
What's that noise?
It's the video playing. What's can you hold his head, please? What? Get his name and information.
You thought that he could hide in the Chuck E. Cheese uniform.
Does he volunteer for it, or does he usually do it?
So he has to be tough. He's a tough person.
He usually is.
Yeah, so, I mean, I understand what y'all doing. I just, the suit, I got a lot of kids that they come to see Chuck. They live in crime now, right?
I got sorry about that.
So y'all have anything on?
Yeah, oh yeah. Felony charges. Yeah, he's used the card at 5 or 6 different locations, multiple times. So I think it's 2 or more is automatically a felony. He's on video using it. Yes. Tell type, go ahead. Sorry about that.
Good morning, Joseph. Did you give me is that mail or female?
No, I'm sorry. Baker Mike. Yeah, I'm sorry, what were your other questions?
That's video.
Okay. Yeah, we have him on video. He has the victim's card, and then he buys something with the card. He's saying he didn't do it, but it's literally on camera footage, so he's pretty much dead to rights, if that makes sense. So, but any questions you have, absolutely, we'll answer anything. Do you know his name? Because we can't really find him for some reason. He says his name is Jermell Jones. Is that correct? Jermell, and then Jones. Is he from Tallahassee?
I can't.
You don't know that?
I'm not even from Tallahassee. I can't tell you.
Okay.
I don't know all.
My bad making a scene. I just when my officer went in earlier, he was really squirmy and seemed like he was ready to run, kind of thing. So, and then even when we grabbed him, I don't know if you saw, but he was tensing up.
They just told me Chucky to get you.
I'm sorry, man. That was not how I saw this going by any means. But yeah, any information you need, case number, whatever, we got you. Okay.
If you can give me just the case number and all that.
Sure. Yeah.
And I was just thinking I could give you our bag.
Yeah, understand. Yeah, of course. Not a problem.
Write it all down.
Yes, sir. I'll bring you a card, or I'll have my other officer bring you a card in 1 second. Yes, sir. Trying to identify him still.
Really?
Yeah, can't find him. Have you ever been arrested today, sir? Or ever? Have you ever been arrested?
Last time
And do we have the suit somewhere?
He took it.
He has the
Where was
suit.
that car?
This on the way time we did it.
Tallahassee?
In Tallahassee?
What did you get arrested for?
Last time I got arrested was a possession case. I ain't been in trouble up since.
Okay, possession of what?
Yeah, I don't know why. No, David. Do you have an ID or a driver's license at all?
It's supposed to be an ID card, but I don't have it. I have to get it renewed.
What's your social?
I think you think that was a 3. It's probably, hold up. Do you have a card for me real quick? If you give me 2 cards for me.
Yeah.
All right, so where we at?
So he says he only has one physical credit card. It's plain white, just his name on it, and a magnetic strip on the back. That's all he has. If he would have used a card at all of these stores that he's seen himself on camera at, it would have been either his phone, Cash App, or the Cash App all plain white card with a magnetic strip on the back.
So the card that we see you using in the footage with the circle on it, what card is that?
I didn't get that far.
That's what we see in the footage. So what is that?
One of my cousins may send me with their card to go to the store here and there. That's it.
What does that card look like?
I do not know because it's not with me.
Have you gone to the store with your cousin's card at all the past few weeks?
Keep working on that. I need my notepad. Okay.
From a constitutional and procedural standpoint, this case remains a straightforward felony fraud prosecution built on documentary and video evidence rather than custodial statements. As of the latest publicly available reporting, Jermell J. Jones was arrested and charged in Tallahassee with theft of a credit card, fraudulent use of a credit card more than twice, and criminal use of personal identification information, all felony-level offenses under Florida law due to repeated transactions and aggregate use across multiple locations. There is no confirmed public update yet on trial disposition, plea, or sentencing, indicating the case is either pending, resolved without widely reported records, or still in pretrial posture. Legally, officers had ample probable cause before making contact. The victim reported unauthorized charges, tracked the transactions, personally reviewed surveillance footage from at least one merchant, and identified the suspect as a Chuck E. Cheese employee she recognized from a prior event. That evidence, combined with multiple transactions at different locations, meets and exceeds the threshold for felony probable cause. Officers were not acting on a vague accusation. They were responding to a corroborated financial crimes investigation already supported by video and transaction data. The detention and arrest were constitutionally sound. Handcuffing during a felony fraud investigation is permissible, particularly where identity was uncertain and officers articulated concerns about evasive behavior or flight. The public nature of the arrest, while uncomfortable, does not affect legality. Courts consistently hold that officers are not required to delay a lawful arrest to reduce embarrassment or preserve appearances. The Miranda warning was administered prior to custodial questioning, and the suspect's subsequent denials do not undermine probable cause. Even if every post-Miranda statement were excluded, the prosecution's case does not materially weaken because it rests primarily on surveillance video, transaction records, and possession evidence, not admissions. From a prosecutorial perspective, this is a clean, evidence-driven case with minimal constitutional exposure. From a defense perspective, the only viable challenges would involve disputing identity, authorization to use the card, or the linkage between the suspect and the transactions, arguments that are difficult to sustain in the face of repeated video evidence. Absent suppression issues not visible on Bodycam, officer conduct appears procedurally lawful and legally defensible. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.